gonna be my celebrity phone call. Tom Holland. Man, what the fuck? Man, I don't wanna talk your bitch.
Candace, are you still with us?
From the top, make it drop. I'm gonna beat your ass.
Okay. Make sure it's on low.
On the floor.
Falling.
You're in the pool swimming?
You're relaxed.
What the fuck was that?
It's okay. We just have to be super quiet. Hey, Classic!
Cheers, my lady.
Salud.
Pendeja, cabrona, estúpida.
Oh, how cute. How cute.
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Turn down for what?
From your shoulder. From your shoulder. Shoulder. From your shoulder. From your shoulder. From your shoulder.
Do you even know what's in that?
Kimberly, I want you to take one good look at my fat ass and tell me if you think I give a fuck.
Get rid of him already! Dance, you fuck! Dance for them! Yes! Yes! I'm really sad. Pardon. Good night.
Watch out, I got it. Oh, it's okay, I'll get it. No, wait! We'll use the power of friendship. Oh, shit. Yo!
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading padung king eh.
Feed you. Till they need feed you. Don't grab me. If you grab me, I'ma bite you. I swear to God, if you grab me, I'ma bite the fuck.
Show me how you gonna smile for picture me.
Please.
Alright.
Red button, please.
Alright, thank you.
How much is the tung sour Happy Meal?
$69.
$69.69.
What I do to your mother.
It's tung sour's pee-pee. Yes.
Well, I guess we all learned that South Park is more than just a town. It's a community that nobody can split up.
Dude, who the hell are you? Power on. Connecting Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected.
Freaking way this dude pulling off these Bruce Lee moves. What the? Yeah, kick his ass, Unk! Come on, Unk! I don't know.
I know we've had scary stuff happen, but, you know, I think you're fine right now. I think we're safe here.
No, Z, there is something out there, dude.
Okay, you know what? Fine. I'll go check myself. Do not go out there.
You saw something, didn't you?
You know what? I gotta admit, I'm wrong sometimes.
You're going down, old man.
No! You're going down, older woman!
No, you are.
No, you are!
No, you.
No, you!
No, you.
No, you!
I'm gonna get shot. Michaela fucking move! Michaela!
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike.
Max.
Dustin, Lucas.
Yeah, corny, this isn't really a good...
My contract stipulates I must appear in every episode for at least 10 seconds.
Oh, all right. Work okay?
Fine.
How's the wife?
Not married.
Favorite Beatle?
Ring.
Doobish googaloo. Doobish googaloo. Doobish googaloo. Doobish googaloo.
You're telling me to keep the light off, but the light's comforting.
Casey, can you count down for me? I'm almost finished. Bro, are you? Bro, I'm not helping you nut. Get off of the channel.
We not blue. Oh, we did not because we are
Why's he gonna shoot you until you shoot him? The one that killed me! He killed you!
Victory.
Sauce, sexy, no ketchup, not just sauce, saucy, raw sauce. Yo, boom.
You drained all the fucking water out of it. Now nobody has any fucking water. Fucking water. You stupid son of a bitch. Oh, you motherfucking goddamn cocksucker. You got lot of dirty shit all over me because you fucked up your fucking water tank, you fucking limp.
Looks every day. It's so fun to play when you're in the hay, or when you go and stay.
Follow you.
you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
Y'all free this Friday? I'm good with Friday. Mike, you free this Friday? Yeah, I'm good for Friday. Johnny, you free this? What the?
I'm so green.
And then shoot that bitch. Uh-oh, send in the rednecks, all of them spinning round and round. All right, pull your hatchets out.
Prada's coming for you.
Dude, why is this baby alone? Hey, buddy, where are you playing? Get the fuck away from me!
Coffee, spelled backwards, is EFOC, which is funny, because until I've had my coffee, I don't give EFOC about anything.
Y'all free this Friday? I'm good with Friday. Mike, you free this Friday? Yeah, I'm good for Friday. Johnny, you free this? What the?
I'm so green.